In this video, we are going to learn how you can stretch the text in Microsoft Word. We will discuss two simple methods to do this. So, let's get right into method number 1. Open a blank new document. Navigate to the Insert tab. Click on Word Art and choose the first option. Type your desired text. Now select the text box, go to Text Effects Options, click on Transform and choose the first option. Now you can stretch the text as much as you want. Let's move to method number 2. Write your text in the document. Select the text or click on the relevant option. Go to the Advanced tab. Under the Scale option, type 150% and click OK. Your text will now be stretched horizontally. What if you want to stretch the text in the opposite direction? Simply select the text again, go to the Scale option, write 50% and click OK. This will compress or stretch your text vertically. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this tutorial helpful.